So guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my mini vlog here. As you know guys, I have already made henna cones for this mehndi appointment. So let's go with me there. As always, I prepare my whole stuff for every appointment. I did same for this too. This event was not so far from my hometown, but because of the rain, it took almost 10 minutes to reach there. So guess what? When I reached there, I couldn't get any free parking because of the rain as well as because of the wedding season there. So I called my client while sitting in my car. Unfortunately, I had to park my car far from the location and I had to go through the rain. So it was so unexpected guys, because I was so excited for this appointment. But believe me, this was one of my best henna appointment. As you can see, there was a very nice decoration. Then I suddenly got remember I forgot my mehndi table in my car, so I had to go again through the rain forgetting my table. But this mehndi event was so beautiful. First I did mehndi for bride's besties and guys, then I did henna for other clients. As I told you before, party henna designs are so simple, so bold, so I did these designs. I'm gonna show one of the bride's besties is very nice to me because she told me to do anything on her hand. She told me you can do any design on my hand, and then I created a veil, simple veil on her hand. These are designs that I have applied last night. I applied mehndi for 4 hours continuously and my neck was paining a lot. But doing henna always made me happier. My client was so happy with my service and she gave me tip for that too. This was one of my favorite designs. It was almost 9 o'clock when I go back to home and it was still raining, as you can see. So this was one of my best experience. It was so grateful to share this experience with you, my friends. So follow for more videos and mehndi designs.